All right, this is how to save a file you have on WhatsApp, all right, into a folder in your Windows 11 PC. Let's do it together. First, click on the start, search for WhatsApp, all right? Okay, it will be selected at the best match. Click on it. If we don't have WhatsApp, please, the desktop app, please go to the Microsoft Store, install it, and set it up. The instruction is there. So let me open mine. Once the WhatsApp opens, you will find yourself on an interface that looks like this. Click on the contact that contains the files, okay, you want to save into your PC. All right, these are some videos sent to me by this contact. So I'll click on one of these videos. As the video file open, in this case, it can be document, it can be PDF, it can be photo, all right? So, but here is video. Right click on the file, select save as. This will automatically open a folder on your PC. In this case, I'm in the downloads folder, all right? But I want to get to another folder where I want to save it. So I will click on videos in this case. Then inside this videos folder, the main videos folder, there are other folders I created by myself. And look at this one I called a Kine. That's what I want, where I want to save it in. So I will double click on it, double click on the folder, okay? As the folder opens, look at the file name here and look at the format. It's going to be saved in MP4 file. If you don't like the file name, you can give it a name of your choice. So here, let me call this. So click there on the file name and give it a name. Let me call this one second. Okay, you can see I've given it a new name. Click on save. I can close this. I can close this again. So with this, I have saved this file from my WhatsApp to Windows 11 PC. If you find this content helpful, consider subscribing to this channel. Hit the like button and leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you and see you some other time.